the work that you do as you continue to go out into the field and do your research, present your research, go to your sites overall, and connect with the community at large. All right, so for this morning, again, we appreciate everybody being able to join us today, and we're going to be recognizing all of our graduates. So to begin, I would like to first recognize the leadership that is supporting the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. We have Dr. Anastasia Rifkin, who is our dean, Dr. Chadwin Sandiford, Executive Associate Dean, Dr. Justin Buccio, Assistant Dean for Academic Affairs, Dr. Patricia Lemmerman, Assistant Dean for Student Affairs and Community Engagement, Dr. Lillian Rosakoulis, Associate Dean for Assessment and Strategic Planning, Dr. Andrea Brace, Program Director, Master of Public Health, Dr. Zakiya Clay, Program Director, Master of Social Work. As well as we would like to recognize our faculty, Zakiya Clay, Andrea Cole, Ayana Da Silva, Alma Kaiser, Unsun Kwan, Tiffany Tilberman, Nicole Zamuda. Those are your social work faculty. Adjunct for social work, you have Laquita Brooks, Kiara Kumbler. And now for our Master of Public Health faculty, we have Alyssa Alessandra, we have Bojana Beric-Stojic, we have Andrea Brace. And for the adjunct faculty within the Master of Public Health program, you have Ulrika Bezuel, Suzanne Miro, Neil Mistry, Sanjoy Roy. And at this time, I would like to welcome Dr. Anastasia Rifkin, our Dean for the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, for some opening remarks.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Justin. My name is Anastasia Rifkin, and I'm the Dean of the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Welcome on behalf of the Provost and the President of Fairleigh Dickinson University, faculty and staff of the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, to the recognition ceremony for the class of 2024 Master of Public Health and Master of Social Work graduates. We are so excited to commemorate this day with you, and even more excited to recognize each of you who has gone on this journey with us through intensive programs that you have navigated with great grace and ambition, as shown in the photographs that Justin just shared with us. We are truly delighted to have this day of celebration with you today, which has been a long day awaited for all of us. For the class of 2024, today presents the end of one journey and the beginning of a new journey for you, your professional career. Whatever your path is, I'm confident you will make use of your education and skills that will help you transform into the reputable and competent practitioner that you came to us to become. Your impact will be great on the individuals and populations you will serve, and perhaps even greater on the profession and impact on how public health and social work is practiced and represented in this country. Many of you will be embarking on rewarding and essential careers, and I'm confident that your education prepared you well for what lies ahead of you. For all of you, your time is now. My call to you is never to forget your foundation, but rather let it be the guidepost that sets the way for your future. Congratulations, class of 2024. This concludes my remarks, and I will pass the program on to Justin.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. So at this point, I would like to go forward and recap one of our more recent engagements that we had. We had our 2024 Student Faculty Recognition Awards. We did have some individuals within the public health and social work that were nominated and were winners. So first, I would like to highlight our Outstanding Student Scholar Award winners. These individuals are individuals who have the highest academic achievers within their program as graduates, and individuals who have the highest GPA in their program. They were awarded a special recognition, and they will be awarded a physical award to commemorate their academic achievement. So the individuals I would like to highlight are Elizabeth Da Silva, Public Health, Diana Amaya, Social Work, Matthew Brooks, Social Work, Sarah James, Social Work, Sarah Levy, Social Work, Rachel Rebich, social work, Sonia Berla, social work, Megan Warschau, social work. Also, I want to share with everyone here today a few of our student leadership awards. So one of the things that we communicate to all of our students within the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences are 5 core tenets, which are think, communicate, implement, advocate, and lead. We believe that these 5 attributes of leadership and professionalism will be the factors that set our students apart from others. Furthermore, these tenets are the 5 non-negotiable characteristics that truly prepare our students to develop into leaders in their fields of healthcare professional landscape as it continues to grow and change. At this time, I would like to recognize those who either were nominated and won. So for our Think Award category, we had Matthew Brooks from the Master of Social Work program. For Communicate Award, we had Sarah James, Master of Social Work, who was our winner of this category, as well as a nominee we had Chukwubuka Ungongwe, which is both a dual degree student within our pharmacy program as well as our public health program. Additionally, with this as well, we had for the Implement Award a nominee of Albania Martinez Boyos, Master Public Health Program. The Advocate Award had a nominee of Victoria Mastroani, MPA and MPH program. We also had, again, for the Advocate Award, Chukwubuka Ungongwe, PharmD and MPH, as well as our lead award, Chukwubuka Ungongwe was also nominated in that category. Now, part of the awards as well, we had 2 categories, which is Outstanding Service and Student Leader of the Year award. The Outstanding Service Award is an award that recognizes that the healthcare professionals are leaders that are called upon to provide service for patients and communities that serve. Service performed by students enhances the lives of others and contributes to the overall student growth and development into professionals who exhibit compassion, humility, and empathy. In this category, we had a winner from the public health program, which is Kadeen Powell. A nominee for this was also Megan Warschauer from the Master of Social Work program. And for the Student Leader of the Year award, these are students who were able to take advantage of the opportunities and hone their personal and professional skills, professional networks, and learning experiences. There are many ways that these students in this category exemplify leadership. Effective student leaderships involve leading a collective of others towards accomplishing a common goal. The nominees for this category included Kadeen Powell, MPH, Megan Warschauer, MSW, and Chukwubuka Ungongwe, again, part of the dual degree PharmD and MPH program. At this time, I would like to turn it over to Dr. Sakia Clay, as she will be recognizing and announcing the Master of Social Work graduates.
Thank you, Justin. Esteemed faculty and staff, proud families and loved ones, as well as the 2024 graduates. I want to thank the entire Student Affairs team for coordinating this celebratory event, the deans for their continued support, as well as the outstanding MSW faculty for their commitment to students and for their continued value that they bring to the program. It is my honor to address the 2024 MSW graduates specifically. I can confidently speak on behalf of the MSW faculty by saying that we are here today with immense pride, knowing that we have had the privilege of witnessing your growth, your dedication, and your unwavering commitment to excellence. As you prepare to embark on the next phase of your journey, we are filled with confidence knowing that you not only possess the knowledge, but the skills to rise to the challenges that lie ahead with courage, conviction, and steadfast dedication to making a difference. I know for many, you never thought you'd make it to this finish line. For others, you never thought you would even pursue a social work degree. Yet you are here. You have persevered through sleepless nights, group projects, self-doubt, endless discussion forums, tears, and a lot of sacrifice. So I see you, we see you, and admire all you've done to get to where you are today. Each MSW cohort tends to develop a set of characteristics and traits that distinguish them for the rest. From the moment you all came together, leadership was the most pronounced. Throughout your time as graduate students, you have demonstrated remarkable leadership in various forms. Whether it was leading research projects, mentoring your peers, engaging in community initiatives, or just creating spaces for students to connect and feel a sense of belonging. You have shown that true leadership is not about titles or positions, but about making a positive impact wherever you go. But leadership alone is not enough. It must be coupled with advocacy and the willingness to stand up for what's right and to speak out against injustices and to champion the rights of others. In the words of Malala Yousafzai, who once said, "If people were silent, nothing would change," we are reminded of the power of advocacy and the profound impact that each of us have, no matter how small our actions may seem. As you move forward, we urge you to continue embodying the spirit of leadership and advocacy that has defined your time in the program. Whether you find yourself in a hospital, in private practice, a school, a nonprofit agency, or even in state government, never forget the responsibility that comes with your education, the responsibility to use your knowledge and skills to create positive change. Today, as you stand on the threshold of your next chapter, remember that you are not alone. You are part of a community of scholars, of leaders, of advocates, and now colleagues who stand right beside you, ready to support you every step of the way. May you continue to lead with courage, advocate with passion, and inspire with your actions. May this moment mark the beginning and not the end. Congratulations, graduates. I conclude my remarks, and it gives me great pleasure to now introduce the MSW Class of 2024 student speaker, Megan Warshire, who is also the current president of the program's Phi Alpha Honor Society chapter, Delta Iota Rho.
Good morning, proud families, admired deans and faculty, and most importantly, my fellow graduates. It's an honor to be a member of this MSW cohort. On this graduation day, I'd like to start by acknowledging our support systems, the people who have served as foundations from the first day of our academic journey. To the parents who excitedly stood by as we submitted our applications and reminded us that no matter the outcome, they were proud of us. To the partners who may have picked up some extra slack as we dedicated extra time to those projects that were coming very close to being due. To the friends who have shown up for us like family by reminding us that we do have time to take a break, grab a coffee, and share some laughs. We thank you all. I must express the collective appreciation we share for the faculty, our professors and advisors who have worked just as hard as we have to prepare a team of social work superheroes to be unleashed across the country and do good, real good. Whenever I'm asked about this MSW program here at FDU, I always mention the unwavering support provided by our professors. Anytime I've been unsure, stuck, or just feeling unmotivated, there was always someone one meeting request away to provide clarity, encouragement, and reassurance that I was on the right track. We thank you all. To the MPH students, it's an honor to share this day with you. Both programs examine social determinants of health, such as poverty, education, and access to healthcare through separate but similar lenses. Through interprofessional collaboration, these two schools of study can play a crucial role in developing and advocating for policies that promote mental health and prevent disease. The dedication you've shown to your program makes certain that you'll have a meaningful impact on the health and well-being of communities and populations, addressing some of the most pressing health challenges facing society today. We thank you. Graduates, your presence here today affirms that you're prepared to assess needs, build therapeutic relationships, advocate for social justice, provide counseling, and intervene in crisis situations. You are ready to perform these duties in diverse settings like schools, hospitals, communities, and government agencies where people like us are most needed. After all the research I've read through over the last 3 years, I'd be remiss not to take the opportunity to share a statistic. 80% of Americans have a favorable opinion of social workers. The other 20% just haven't met us yet. Intending to uplift marginalized groups and address systemic injustice, this League of Advocates publicly supports policy change that impacts underserved populations, and we're dedicated to using our knowledge to speak up on behalf of those communities. In this very moment, there is someone somewhere who you'll impact for the better with the education you've worked on so hard to obtain over the last few years. When we turn on the news, scroll through social media, or simply drive through our towns, we're reminded of the violence, racism, economic equality, and mental health crises that take place in our world. It's easy for some to turn a blind eye. I commend you all for learning how to tackle these troubling matters head on by choosing to promote the values of social work, one person, one community at a time. I want to leave you with a famous quote from Mahatma Gandhi. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. I'm so proud to be a part of this group, the ones who most certainly will be that change. Congratulations, class of 2024. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Megan. At this time, I would like to invite Dr. Zakiya Clay back alongside with Dr. Nicole Zamuda to present this year's graduates.
Thank you, Justin. Diane Amaya. Takima Brantley. Matthew Brooks. Nia Burton. Luke Dunton. Stephanie Etienne. Blair Galena. Kathy Garcia Vega. Sarah James. Rajeshri Joshi. Kelsey Leone. Sarah Levy.
Alexa Mesano. Rayanne McCallum. Rachel Rebich. Rachel Rossell. Samaje Russell. Ashley Schiminger. Maria Van Morter. Sonia Patricia Varela. Megan Warschauer. Jessica Whaley. Sherry Wilson. Hannah Zaborowski.
Thank you very much. At this time, I would like to invite Dr. Andrea Brace to speak for the Master of Public Health program.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome our MPH graduates and our MSW graduates, the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences esteemed leadership, the MPH faculty, our staff, and the family and friends who are watching the ceremony. Congratulations to you all. I am excited to be here today to see our graduates reach such an important milestone. It has been an honor to be on this journey with you for the last year, observing you grow and learn and getting the privilege to learn from you as well. I know how hard you have worked during your time at FDU, and I am so proud of you. Earning this graduate degree is a huge step towards your future, and I cannot wait to see what becomes of it. The field of public health is going to be stronger and better with your contributions. Please remember the MPH program is your home, and I hope you will update us with all of your future accomplishments. Again, congratulations for this hard-earned accomplishment, and I hope that the success and happiness that you deserve follow you throughout your journey. Thank you. We would like to recognize award winners from within our program, and we have our MPH Service Award winner, Albania Martinez Bojas. Albania was not able to be here today to make any comments, so would like to continue, please. We also have a winner for the MPH Academic Achievement Award, which is Alejandro Melendez. Additionally, Alejandro Melendez will be our MPH Class of 2024 student speaker.
Thank you, Dr. Brace. Good morning, esteemed faculty, honored guests, proud parents, and most importantly, my fellow graduates. It is an honor and a privilege to stand before you today as we celebrate the culmination of our academic journey in the Masters of Public Health program. As I reflect on my time in the program, my journey to public health was a bit unconventional. While I always harbored an interest in healthcare during my undergraduate years, life took me on a different path. I found myself drawn to the world of informal education, a career path I never imagined myself in, that ignited a passion for teaching. When the pandemic came, the situation strangely provided an opportunity. As my fellow graduates can relate, this time motivated me to reevaluate my goals and consider new possibilities. Just by chance, I stumbled upon a flyer advertising a virtual open house for this very program. And as many people say, the rest is history. Today, we celebrate not just an achievement, but a commitment. We are here not as passive observers of health, but as architects and advocates for a healthier future. The challenges we will face are complex. Communities will need public health professionals who are not only skilled, but also passionate and resilient. FDU has provided us with the tools to be effective in the public health sector. The MPH program taught us to think critically to find impactful solutions, become advocates for individuals who are most vulnerable in healthcare, develop leadership skills to help implement change, and become effective communicators to bridge the gap between theory and practice. In closing, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the faculty and staff of the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences for their unwavering support and guidance. I would also like to thank our families, friends, and loved ones for their endless encouragement and belief in our abilities. Congratulations to the class of 2024. May we continue to uphold the proud legacy of FDU, and may we never stop striving to make a positive impact on the health and well-being of all communities. Thank you.
Thank you, Alejandra. At this time, I would like to invite Doctors Andrea Brace, Bojana Beric-Stojcic, and Alyssa Alessandra to speak on behalf and recognize the graduates of the MPH program.
Thank you, Justin. Mateo Campbell. Elizabeth De Silva. Melissa Echevarria. Claudel Fontes. Giovanna Herrera.
Magdalene Kozak. Patricia Lemmerman.
Hey.
Albania Martinez Bojos. Victoria Mastriani. Alejandro Melendez.
Alexis Nguyen. Zahra Ratpasand. Lilian Rosaklis. Jesse Sullivan. Congratulations. Chukwuebuka Ogunvenyi. Chooks. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you all for recognizing the graduates of the MPH program. At this time, I would like to invite Dr. Justin Buccio, Assistant Dean for Academic Affairs, for closing remarks.
Thank you all for joining us this morning to celebrate this immense achievement of our graduates. School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences strives to produce competent professionals adequately prepared to enter the workforce as quality healthcare practitioners. Today's group of graduates demonstrate this important goal and allow us to recognize the continued progress we are making to respond to the current societal demands for preparing optimal healthcare professionals. As we close today's ceremony, I want to request that our graduates reflect on their experiences throughout their academic journey and consider the sacrifices you have made and the challenges you have overcome to get to where you are today. It is important to recognize that in these moments, the strategies and methods of persistence you demonstrated are just as important, if not more so, than the degree you now hold. In your future careers and in life in general, such challenges will continue to surface, but you now know you possess the skills necessary to remain focused on your goals and to persevere. I am hopeful that your experience with us at FDU will continue to be a lasting source of support for continued success and growth. Although you have completed your studies and all the associated requirements to obtain your master's degree, your involvement with FDU and the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences doesn't stop here. As you venture into your career, please remain connected with us. We need you as alum to provide feedback about the growing trends in areas of practice and to recommend ways to enhance how we deliver knowledge and experiences to future students. Now, as our colleagues, we rely on you to pay it forward to those coming through the ranks and seeking to join us as professionals. Just as you were provided supervision for the completion of your studies, we now turn to you to ensure the integrity of our profession is maintained. In closing, I would like to thank all the faculty and staff that have made today's celebration possible. Most importantly, I want to thank our graduates for entrusting the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences to provide you the knowledge, values, and skills necessary to achieve your dream of receiving a graduate level education. We are excited to hear about your future experiences, and as our fields of practices are often smaller than we recognize, we are sure our paths will cross soon. As you prepare for your next steps in the pursuit of your goals, allow yourself the opportunity to soak in this immense achievement. You have worked very hard and have succeeded. Congratulations. I hereby pronounce the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences Master of Public Health and Master of Social Work 2024 graduation ceremony closed, and thank all in attendance. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. The program has ended today. A copy of this will be sent out for those that either were able to make it today or unable to make it today. Go forward and enjoy as proud graduates of our program. Thank you.